Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwividiyo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisi-support njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwividiyo namuhla.
Hey guys, amakhampani ayavala eSouth Africa. Ayavala amakhampani eSouth Africa. Qeda ukuthola umbiko nje ukuthi Tiger Wheel and Tires iyavala. Sithola umbiko ukuthi Mercedes eKapa ifuna ukuvala. Meselo Metal nayo iqhubekela phambili ifuna ukuvala despite usizo uhulumeni abethu yalinikezela ifuna ukuvala. Bafethu kurafu. Asiqondile ukunethusa ngalezi zinto bafethu sithi nje hlakazekani. Uma isikhathi sisekhona thola ulwazi ngoba lokho kuzokusiza ukuthi uma izimo sezinzima kakhulu ukhiphe emgodleni olwazi ukwazi ukuthi ubone ukuthi yini ongayenza ukuze uthole ini ukuphila.
Kule video manje ngifisa ukukhuluma ngale article engiyibonile ebhalwe IOL. IOL ibhala ukuthi uDr Mmusi Maimane njengoba kade bizabe izindaba eba-addressa ngokwe political party yakhe, ulithintile nodaba ekwakhulunywa ngalo kulamaviki aphelile lokuthi i-GNU kungenzeka i-add amanye ama-political parties. So waphawula ke nayo, kodwa i-article ebhalwe i-IOL ithi iBuild One South Africa okuyibhosa leader yayo ku-Dr Mmusi Maimane uthe iphathi yakhe ayikakabi nezingxoxo eziformal ne-ANC esigabeni soku-expanda kwe-GNU, and yona ngeke izijoyine any coalition include i-MK party, i-EFF or any racist parties. Engikubone kungcono ukuba simcaphune yena ezikhulumela yena ngokwakhe, sizwe nezathu zakhe ukuthi ingoba kwenze njani. Ngaphambi ngicaphunela ivideo, nansi ipost ebhalwe uProf Moya. Uthi ukuphi uThuli Madonsela kanye noZondo ababiza iminyaka yokubusa kaZuma njenge-state capture and 9 we-state years. Bathini nge-administration kaRamaphosa? Ayikho into esebenzayo. It's a downward spiral trend in all aspects. No wonder i-suicide and depression cases ekhuphuka kangaka eSouth Africa. Kodwa le nkulumo uyibhala emveni kwale post lethi 8.2 million South Africans baluza imisebenzi yabo ngo-2025 and all of them are still unemployed kuze kube manje. 300,000 more people became unemployed in the last 3 months.
The last point I want to close with is the discussion we've been having about the government of national unity. It is clear and common cause that after 14 months of the GNU being in government, there's been some progress, but clearly many things have not changed. The data points are telling us that in some instances there's no progress. I don't take joy in a government that does not succeed. It hurts all of us. I don't celebrate when the economy is stagnant. Too many South Africans are struggling. So when we reflect on the society as we have it, there are consequences of an economy that is stagnant. And people are asking, how do we build a government that works for all of us? In this light, there have been many speculations post the ANC's NEC about the resetting of the GNU. Part of the speculation is that they are going to increase the number of parties, of which Build One South Africa is one. I want to be categoric and say we have not engaged the African National Congress in this regard. I want to make this particular point, that at the invitation of that engagement, we are not people who simply say we go along for getting along's sake. South Africa is in crisis, so I'm not going to be invited into a fight between the ANC and the DA. In our engagement, we are going to engage on the basis of the following. that the composition cannot just bloat the cabinet, which has already been the most bloated cabinet we've seen in democratic history. That adding political parties like MK and many others will simply complicate the issue and make it impossible for us to be part of what will become a potpourri of parties who are not ideologically, let alone governmentally coherent. Can't govern simply with people and just say, let's just get ministries, etc. It requires a plan that is deliberative, that says, how do we deliver for the people of this country? We are non-negotiable on our values. We are not going to coalesce with people who are racist, want to divide this country. We're furthermore not going to work with people who don't want to uphold and defend our constitution. If we don't have a basis of agreement, what then is the purpose of governing? Citizens are desperate. They are sick and tired of politics in this sense, where while people are fighting, they are fighting each other. We need a governance roadmap that delivers for the people. It's not GNU for vibes. It must be GNU for delivery. And in this sense, we talk about a governance plan. Our key focus is that we will have a discussion if it is going to attract investment, if it is going to eradicate crime and corruption, if it is going to reform our education, if it's going to fix ESCOM, Transnet and other SOEs, if it's going to instill ethical leadership at all costs. And furthermore, I have been at war on this issue. There have been this discussion about CETAs and agencies. I see the Minister of Higher Education, Stevens, has gone and appointed other administrators, so-called. It's about time we scrap these things. They create middleman boundaries. Let us reform. South Africa's fiscus is constrained. It's time now that we make decisions that don't suit political parties, but suit the people.
Echazile kuDr. Mmusi Maimane izathu zakhe ezenza ukuthi angabi kwi-coalition enalama political parties abawakhiphile amabili ne-DA futhi akafuni ukuba ingxenye ye-GNU ukulwa izimpi ze-ANC ne-DA. Kodwa-ke into engizibuza yona emveni kokulalela le nkulumo yakhe uthi yena ufuna ukungena kwi-coalition ene-plan ezoba deliberate ukuthi ifuna uku-achieve ini ngasikhathi sini, ifuna ukwenza ini. Lento yenza ukuthi ngizibuza ukuthi ngabe le GNU ekhona manje, le government esiphethe manje nama political parties abalelwa ko-10 noma 11 angazi kahle. Le khona manje inayo na iplan enjalo. Inayo na iplan abathi lena iplan yethu as i-government of national unity sifuna ukuthi silwe ne-unemployment ngalendlela, silwe ne-crime ngalendlela, silwe nesigaba esithize ngalendlela. Bafisa ukuzibona bekuphi? Yini abayiplanile for i-country? Lento yenza ukuthi uma ngilalela inkulumo kaMmusi Maimane ngizibuza ukuthi ngabe le GNU esinayo manje inayo na iplan la khuluma ngayo, inayo na? Ngoba into eyenzekayo yonke into i-ANC iproposayo i-DA against yona. Yonke into kunama political parties esaziyo ukuthi no matter i-ANC kukhulunywa ngani bazo support i-ANC. Lawo ma political parties IFP kanye ne-PA akukho la abaphikisana khona ne-ANC. Yonke into esho i-ANC right kubo. Kunama political parties anjalo. Angisho ukuthi wrong ngokwenza njalo, angisho ukuthi wrong. Kodwa siyazi ukuthi bona akukho la bathi khona ayithina lana sizwa kahle. Yonke into mayisho i-ANC right. Then uyazibuza ukuthi uma kodwa bezophathizwe bengabi na plan, if they are not deliberate entweni abazenzayo, angeke kuqhamuka ama results, angeke ubheka ama results ento ongayipreparanga. Kufuneka uprepare, uplan, uzazi ukuthi ufuna ukuyaphi, ufuna uku-achievani. Ebese usebenza ama results aphume ngoba uyazi ukuthi usebenzelani. Uyazazi usebenzelani. So kodwa uma ngabe ungena plan uhamba nje ngoba kuyakhanya, kuzoba nenkinga. Yingakho ngithi emveni kokulalela lenkulumo yenza manje ngiyibuka ukuthi no, kungenzeka iGNU ayinayo iplan. That is the reason why bephikisana ngayo yonke into, ngoba uma kuplan ilafuna kuphikiswane khona, baphikisane kusaplanwa, baphikisane baze bafike la bavumelana khona. Uma sebevumelene bonke baphuma bakhulume ngazwi linye, kodwa ngenxa yokuthi ANC don't ibheka le, ANC prethe i-actor as if isesene majority, i-DA ikhumbuze ANC ukuthi awukwazi ukudonsa ubhekele i-DA i-actor njenge-opposition in government, kodwa yonke lento yenziwa ukuthi abana proper plan. And-ke ngikuxoxele nje mahala, ayikho into abazoyenzela abantu base-South Africa uma bezobusa lezwe bengena plan. Angiyibambe le video, cela ukuze ukuphala kwakho. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo, ngiyabonga.